Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your DeepSeek chat history step by step. If you want to remove old conversations, clear your chat list, or organize your account, DeepSeek provides an easy way to delete individual chats and on some accounts, all chats at once. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if you haven't already. After signing in, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see your previous conversations. To delete a single conversation, move your mouse over the chat you want to remove. Click the three dots next to the chat title, then select Delete. A confirmation message may appear. Confirm your choice, and the selected conversation will be removed from your chat history. If your account includes the option to remove all conversations, click your profile icon, open Settings, go to Data, and select Delete all chats. Then confirm your choice to clear your chat history. Keep in mind that this option may not be available on every account or version of DeepSeek. Before deleting important conversations, make sure you no longer need them, because deleted chats may not be recoverable. That's how easy it is to delete your DeepSeek chat history. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.